This is gonna blow your mind. Mulching can revolutionize your garden and protect our environment at the same time. Let's find out how. Mulching does wonders for your soil. First up, it retains moisture, reducing water loss through evaporation. It also regulates soil temperature, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Plus, it suppresses weeds by blocking light and improves soil structure by adding organic matter. But wait, there's more. Healthy soil means happy plants. With mulch, you get increased yields and reduced plant stress. Your plants will enjoy consistent moisture and temperature, leading to healthier roots and better nutrition due to the slow release of nutrients. Now for the environment. Mulching conserves water and reduces erosion, holding soil in place. It even helps mitigate climate change by sequestering carbon. Plus, it supports biodiversity by providing habitats for beneficial insects and microbes. And economically, you save on water, fertilizers, and herbicides. Your garden looks great, and your property value can increase too. So, what are you waiting for? Start mulching today and watch your garden and the planet thrive. For plant growth, use NPK bioenzyme. For flowering, citrus bioenzyme works wonders. For fruiting, sweet bioenzyme is your go-to. And for pest repellent, try chili garlic ginger bioenzyme. For a natural pest repellent, use a mix of haldi, neem, cinnamon, rock salt, giloy, pepper, bay leaf, kapur, clove, wood ash, agnihotra ash, and cow dung cakes around and in plant pots. Welcome back, garden enthusiasts! Now that we've uncovered the magic of mulching, let's dive into some eco-friendly garden hacks that will take your soil health to the next level. First up, composting. Your kitchen waste is a goldmine for your garden. Instead of tossing out vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, turn them into nutrient-rich compost. This not only enriches your soil, but also reduces landfill waste. Next, let's talk about grey water. Did you know you can reuse water from your kitchen? Collect the water from rinsing fruits and vegetables and use it to water your plants. Just make sure it doesn't contain harmful chemicals. And here's a sweet and citrusy tip: bioenzymes. These are natural cleaners made from fermented citrus peels and jaggery. Not only do they clean your home, but they also make an excellent soil conditioner. Worried about pests? Say goodbye to chemical pesticides and hello to natural pest repellents. A simple mixture of chili, garlic, and bioenzyme can keep those pesky insects at bay while keeping your garden chemical-free. Finally, don't forget the power of herbs. Mix dried herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary into a powder and sprinkle it around your plants. This not only adds nutrients to the soil, but also acts as a natural deterrent for pests. With these simple yet effective hacks, you can create a thriving, sustainable garden. So start composting, reusing grey water, and harnessing the power of natural bioenzymes and herbs. Your plants and the planet will thank you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your garden a green paradise. Happy gardening!